Alright guys, check this out. We've got another unboxing for you today, and as you can see, this one is coming from the guys at Perrin Performance. I want to give a big shout out to Perrin Performance. They have been a big supporter of the channel, as you can see, with this box, with this front mount intercooler, and some other parts installed on the car, which I will show you later. But they sent this to me yesterday, and it showed up on my doorstep today, and you know what? I have been neglecting this part for a while now, something that is very important for the 2015 up Subaru WRX because of its direct injection system. So let me just shut up and get this out of the box for you, because I know you're probably dying to find out what is in here. I posted this on my social media page and some of you guessed this part correctly. I don't know if I'll be able to install this part today. If I do, cool, you know what, because it is late in the day, it is getting kind of late, but yeah. All right. There you go. And let's see what's in the box. Oh, check this out. I got a Mr. Goodbar. Cool. I'm always a sucker for chocolate. I am a chocolate fiend, if you guys didn't know. And you got this. Got a packing slip. I want to show you that. It's got my address on there. Of course, got a nice plate frame. Looks like we have some hardware in here also. I don't know exactly. Instructions. Oh shoot. Looks like we got some packing paper. More packing paper. And wow, look at this. Nice organized hardware, all separated for you. I really like that one. I really like when companies do that. A bunch of hoses. So let me just leave that in there for now, and I guess inside this box is the star of the show, and there's no tape on this that I could see. Okay, so here goes the hardware, and oh, here we go. Here is the part. So right here is the main star of the show. This is the Perrin Air Oil Separator. Yeah, of course. Nice red finish. Nothing else in there. And looks like we have another O-ring. It says extra O-ring for future services. Do not throw away. So, absolutely not. I am not going to throw that away. But I am really impressed by the red finish that Perrin has on their products. Let's check that out. So, let me just get this out of the package and get you guys a closer look. Nice wrinkled red finish. They also have this in black also. But yeah, check that out. So I'm going to put this back in the box. Like I said, this is going to be a quick video for you guys today. I don't think I'll be able to get to the install today, but I'm going to do some research on this. I'm going to read the directions, get you guys a proper install video, as this is a brand new part. And yeah, I need to educate myself on the Perrin Air Oil Separator, and to give you guys the best information on this product as I can. I'm just loving the fit, finish, and quality of the Perrin Air Oil Separator. You can just tell this is built with quality itself. And I know a lot of you guys out there may already have an air oil separator or catch cans, and there's also a bunch of new owners out there, new subscribers, who may not have one yet and are probably wondering, why do I need an air oil separator? My engine runs just fine. Well, this is very important for the longevity and the health of your engine. And what this does, this traps oil from the crankcase before it enters into the intake. So I'm not an expert when it comes to air oil separators, but keep in mind, this is not your typical catch cans that I know a lot of you guys have. So catch cans require you to empty the oil out every few 100 miles or so, give or take, depending on your engine. Every engine is going to be different, but this is pretty much maintenance free. So this separates the oil and the air and drains the oil back into the engine, leaving you with oil-free air, which goes back into the intake track. And another note, I'm going to read from Perrin's website. So the air oil separator has swirl pot technology and multi-layer baffles. This design forces incoming engine blow-by to move rapidly across the baffles, separating oil from the engine blow-by. Multiple layers of baffles means more surface area to collect more oil, making for a more compact and efficient design. Oil entering from the crankcase vent spins counterclockwise through the entire body of the AOS, passing along 4 walls 4 walls, wow, equaling roughly 50 square inches of surface area. The multiple baffle walls in the compact design simulate the surface area of an AOS that is 13.5 inches tall. So pretty impressive if you ask me. And one thing I didn't mention, the base plate of the air oil separator is heated by coolant drawn from the engine. This heats the entire air oil separator to the same temperature of the engine blow-by. By keeping the air oil separator the same temperature as the blow-by, water condensation is significantly decreased, allowing oil, air, and water vapor to separate and pass through the body. Now, this feature eliminates nearly all sludge that can build up in the air oil separator body, which is a common problem with catch cans and other air oil separators. And as you can see behind the air oil separator, that is Perrin's front mount intercooler. Another reason why you want this, and if you have a turbocharged WRX, either you have a front mount intercooler or a top mount intercooler, whether it's aftermarket or stock, the air oil separator increases intercooler efficiency by reducing the amount of oil deposited into your intercooler and intake system. As the blow-by oil builds up inside your intercooler, the less efficient it becomes due to less heat being transferred from your engine. So what this does is leads to power loss and possible detonation, which could be damaging to your engine. Another big reason why you need an air oil separator. And the number one reason why you need an air oil separator is that this cuts down the buildup onto your intake track and your intake valves. So all that buildup on your intake valves causes a loss in power and extra wear and tear on your valves. If you saw one of my old videos, you saw how dirty my intake valves were just at 30-something thousand miles. So big thanks to Subi Bros for helping me clean my intake valves. Alright, so that is it. Nice, quick, and short video for you guys today of the Perrin air oil separator and the reasons why you need one. So I won't be able to get to the install today. I have to do my research on the air oil separator and read the instructions so I don't jack up the install. But that will be in a next video or video after that, and I'll do a full detailed install and how to install this. I'm not sure by the time you're watching this video if this is available for sale as of yet. As of today, it's not on their website, but as you can see, it is coming out. So if you don't have one yet, I highly advise you to check out Perrin's air oil separator, which is coming on the market soon if it's not already. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your guys' support, and we will talk to you guys later. Peace out.